Biodiversity. We can define the diversity of life forms is known as biodiversity. Diverse life forms share the environment and are affected by each other too. As a result, stable community of different species comes into existence. During the process of development, human beings have also changed the balance of environment by affecting particular characteristics of land, water, air, etc. There are approximately 10 millions of species on the planet Earth, but only 1 to 2 million of them are known to us, as we have discussed earlier. Approximately 1 million of these organisms are insects. 50% of these organisms live in tropical rainforests which have not been still explored. The warm and humid tropical regions of Earth between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn are rich in biodiversity, so these are called the region of megadiversity. The biodiversity is concentrated in a few countries due to the presence of favorable climatic conditions. About 50% of planet's biodiversity can be found in countries like Australia, Brazil, Colombia, Ecuador, China, India, Indonesia, Madagascar, Malaysia, Mexico, Peru, and Zaire.